traditional. Nice, Sonic. Very traditional. Tails.
Next time you fucking put a hand on me, I'ma fucking rip your face off, bitch.
Sticks, yours just screams traditional. And Knuckles. It's so hard to choose a winner.
It probably doesn't matter, Amy.
Because the beach is the beach?
No, because of the ginormous storm that's about to hit. Quick, let's get to my shack.
I don't think so.
It's safer in the storm.
Is that place up to code?
Then it's agreed. We'll go to my shack.
That could be fun, I guess. It can be fun. And we'll stay up late. And... Hey, wait for me!
Let's play Truth or Dare.
Truth, where are the snacks?
I dare you to get them for us.
Not sure you guys understand Truth or Dare, but I'd be happy to whip up some Truth or Dare.
Hors d'oeuvres? I want it. Hors d'oeuvres? Hate this game.
Here you go. Quiche Lorraine. Quiche Lorraine's. And a delicate assortment of quiche Lorraine's on rosemary focaccia toast.
Yeah!
Not bad. Could have used some ketchup, though. Ooh, pile! Phobia pile!
It's okay. A glass horse is just as good as a glass horse, right? Using a sprig of holly and just a few everyday household items that you have to special order from a craft catalog, you too can create a lovely craft catalog. How's everyone else's craft catalog coming along?
And now for the piece de resistance.
Look at this mess you made!
Don't you mean look at this
Mess
we made?
Okay, this is okay. It's time for one of my favorite party activities. Clean up time!
Come on, Amy. We want to do something fun, like pole vaulting over the couch or shot putting tails across your living room.
No! You guys have made a big enough mess already. Don't touch anything, don't do anything. Just made a big enough mess until the storm passes. Who's ready for popovers?